Hello guys, LifeHackster here. Today we will check out the Tapo D210 video doorbell. This is Tapo's battery-only model and it was released together with their D225, which is their flagship doorbell. And I have reviewed this model a few weeks ago and I will link it down below if you haven't seen it yet. But watch this video first because this D210 might be a better option. What I can tell you, even before checking and testing this out, for a battery video doorbell and not needing a subscription, which most other brands do, look at the price. Currently, I'm pretty sure this is the cheapest battery-powered doorbell out there. But even with their regular pricing, this is still a pretty affordable option. But did Tapo cripple this doorbell? Well, let's find out. Also, this doorbell was sent to me by Tapo to be checked out, so thank you, Tapo. This records in 2K quality, 2304 by 1296 pixel resolution at 15 frames per second and has a 160-degree diagonal field of view. It has infrared black and white night vision, but also the doorbell button acts as a light at night so as to get full color recording if you want. It has a built-in battery, 6400 mAh capacity, which can last up to 6 months on a single charge. But this will really depend on your use. This doesn't require a subscription and records locally to a microSD card inserted on the doorbell itself, up to a 512GB card. There's an optional cloud recording, or to have rich notifications, then you will need a subscription. But all other features of this doorbell like AI, person, pet, and vehicle detection are fully functional without a subscription. It comes with a plug-in chime with different tones and loudness settings. It has quick responses.
No one can answer the door right now. We are notified you stopped by. Please leave the item by the door. I'll be there in a minute. Sorry, not interested. You are trespassing. Police have been notified.
This is weather resistant with an IP65 rating and is compatible with Google Assistant or Amazon devices.
Someone is at the Tapo_doorbell.
Inside the box, you will get a quick start guide, a plug-in chime, reset button on one side, volume and tone selection on the other side, mounting screws, plastic anchors, and push pin. And we have the doorbell itself. Design and size, this is same as the D225. We have the PIR sensor here, doorbell button with the ring light, light sensor, 160-degree lens, and the mic. On the back, we have a reset and sync button, but no terminal screws. Speaker on the side, and on the bottom we have a rubber flap that covers the USB-C port to charge the batteries and a screwed-in cover for the microSD card slot. We have the mounting bracket, a 15-degree wedge, mounting template, foam gasket, and a 3M mounting tape if you want a screwless install. And we have a short USB-C cable to charge the doorbell. Just a quick comparison with the Tapo D225, which is Tapo's dual power doorbell, which is all black in the front, while the D210 is half white. But size is the same, 180-degree field of view on the D225 and 160 on the D210. On the back of the D225 has the screw terminals to make it wired and nothing on the D210. MicroSD card slot and the USB port are also on the back for the D225, while with the D210 it is located on the bottom. Good call though on the screw to protect the SD card. The speaker is on the bottom for the D225 while it is on the side on the D210. So those are the physical differences. Setup is pretty easy. Let's insert a microSD card first, and then you do need to screw in the cover. Open up the Tapo app, click the plus sign, add device, doorbells, D210, power on the doorbell, go to your Wi-Fi settings and choose the Tapo doorbell's Wi-Fi. Back to the app and it should be found. Connect to your Wi-Fi network, add your password, name the doorbell, and you can add or pair the chime. And you can also pair it with the Tapo hub. I already have set up a chime for the D225, so I'll just use that, and it is set up. To install, screw in the mounting bracket with the 2 included screws, and just snap in the doorbell, bottom first, and it will click in place. To remove, just push in the removal tool on the hole on top, and it should release. By the way, those concerned about it being easy to remove, this D210 also has the anti-theft feature that when turned on and when someone removes the doorbell, a warning and a siren is going to sound.
The host has been notified.
Heard that?
Please return the doorbell immediately.
You'll get that warning and then you will get a siren. and you will not be able to reset up this doorbell until this feature is turned off. So it basically becomes a brick. Let's check these settings in the app. When you open up the app, you will see your devices. Click on it to open up the live view, which loads up pretty quick. Take a snapshot, record the live view, listen in, start two-way talk, which is full duplex on this one, but there is also the mic icon for the half duplex push to talk. Privacy mode, quick responses, playback and download, and this is where you can view and download the recorded footage. Gear icon for the camera settings. Detection. We have all these detection types but no package detection like the D225. You can adjust the sensitivity of each. You can set detection zones. Battery status info here. Doorbell. This is where you can see your chime or add another one if you want. Auto response, so you can set the doorbell to automatically answer when the button is pressed, and you can even add your own recording. And this is also where you can set the anti-theft alarm. Storage and recording, where you can format the microSD card. Clip settings, retrigger time, which I set to 0. Record buffer if you want the doorbell to record more after motion has stopped. And you can also adjust the recording length. Recording schedule, because this is battery powered, it can only record motion events. Video and display, we have night mode settings, and I'll just show in video quality. It records in 2K 2304 by 1296. And as to notifications, if you want snapshots in your notifications, then you will need the cloud recording option, which you really don't need it. Now time to do some testing.
So this is the video and audio quality of Tapo D210 Video Doorbell. And this has a 160-degree ultra-wide field of view. And this is what it looks like when I'm close to the doorbell, and this is what it looks like when I'm close to the door. So this is the video quality of Tapo's D210 Video Doorbell at night. And this is an infrared night vision mode, so it has two infrared LEDs. And this is what it looks like when I'm close to the doorbell, and this is what it looks like when I'm close to the door. So this is the video quality of the Tapo's D210 Video Doorbell at night, and this with the doorbell button as actually a spotlight that it lights up, and this is in full color mode. And this is what it looks like when I'm close to the doorbell, and this is what it looks like when I'm close to the door.
We are going to test the notification speed on the Tapo's D210 Video Doorbell, and I'm on my 5G cellular network. So let's check it out. That quick, and when there's no rich notifications because I didn't sign up for their cloud recording, but when you click on it, it should open up the live view and loads up pretty quick. 125. All right, so it's 126. It's less than a minute. Let's see if there is a notification or recording cool off. Nope, I got notified again. Cool. Now this time what we're gonna do, we're going to check the notification speed from doorbell press to notification on my phone. There you go, and it is a phone call. And it loads up pretty quick. I have the setting to all max anyways, but person detection only. There you go. All right.
Someone is at the Tapo_doorbell.
Yes, can I help you?
Yes, can I help you?
Is LifeHackster here?
LifeHackster here.
Sorry, he's not here right now. You wanna leave a message?
Sorry, he's not here right now. You wanna leave a message?
No, it's fine, thank you.
I'm fine, thank you.
All right, thank you.
LifeHackster here. Fine, thank you.
Well, what do you think? This Tapo D210 performed well in my testing. And just like any other Tapo that I've tested, it is pretty responsive. I'm surprised that Tapo didn't really cripple this doorbell as to features. And the only thing that was missing compared to their flagship D225 is package detection. And also the option for it to be wired. But as to price to features, this is the best battery doorbell option out there. you're getting the most bang for your buck. And remember this doesn't need a monthly subscription. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.